Have you ever felt lonely? Even when surrounded by people, you are not alone. Today, let's talk about something that shapes our life every single day: relationships. Because no matter how smart, rich, or successful we are, if we don't have strong relationship, we miss the real joy of living, isn't it? Hey everyone, I am Subrat Kumar. Welcome to 15 Days to Discover Your Best Self series, and it's day 9 today. If you missed watching my previous videos, then just go to my playlist here. You will have it out there. Today is day 9, and in this video, we are going to understand how to build and maintain strong connection with others. Subscribe my channel if you like it and share this video if you love it. With love, let's start today's video. We have to build strong relationship, means whether it's with your partner, friends, family, or even colleagues. Strong relationship don't happen by chance. They are built step by step. Let's break it down together. Part 1. Start with listening. The first step to a strong connection is simple: listen. Not just hearing words, but really listening. Put your phone down, make eye contact. Today's world is going to be so different. Most of the time, we are just doing anything and investing lot of time with our gadgets. Our face is like this always. We are not looking to the face of the loved ones, but we are looking with the smartphone or tablet or something like that, isn't it? I can understand that in this busy schedule we have to do it, but we have to make some time for our loved ones. It is also important. The eye contact is most needed with your loved ones. Comment me below if you really relate my words. So that's why I said, put your phone down, make eye contact. When someone talks to you, give them your full attention. People feel connected when they feel heard. It shows respect. It builds trust. Even a quiet nod or a small "I understand" can make a big difference. Part 2. Show up consistently. Strong relationships are not built in a single day. They grow with time, and the key is showing up. Be there when they need you. Celebrate their good days. Stand by them in their bad days. It's very sad to say that nowadays most of the people are not doing this. When you are happy, everyone are just with you. And when you are not happy, means in the time when you need everyone, maybe to your family or maybe to your loved ones, to whom you loved once, to whom you love much, you can't find them in your difficult time. Today's scenario is so vast and all people are so practical. So in practical means in life, if you are practical, it's okay, it is manageable. But in relationship, if you are showing yourself practical, means I'm saying you practically, your relationship will not go a long way. So not only you stand with them in the good days, it's very important stand by them in their bad days. It's not about grand gestures. It's about being there again and again. Then let's discuss part 3, that is speak with honesty. Honesty is the backbone of any relationship. Say what you feel, but say it kindly. Don't fake emotions. If something bothering you, share it calmly. If you admire someone, tell them openly. Being honest doesn't hurt a relationship. It makes it stronger. Always remember that. Then part 4, that is respect differences. We all think differently. Your partner, your friends, your family, they may not see the world the way you do. That's okay, right? You have to manage it. because you have 5 fingers in your hand, right? Each finger is totally different from each other, right? Same way, peoples are not same. Their thinking are not same. So you have to admit it, you have to admire it. Strong relationships are not about controlling people, they are about accepting them. You can disagree and still care deeply. Respecting differences keeps the connection real. You know what? Disagreement and disrespect both are different words and its meaning is different. So you maybe disagree with them, but don't disrespect. Rather, they are good. Always remember that. Then, part 5, grow together. Lastly, help each other grow. Push each other to be better. Celebrate achievements no matter how small. Forgive mistakes. Learn from each other. Relationship become stronger when we grow together, not apart. So remember this, listen well, show up, be honest, accept differences, and grow together. These 5 points are very vital to maintain any relationship, because in the end it's not about how many people you know, it's about how deep your connection is with those who matter. Take a moment today and reach out to someone, strengthen that bond, because relationship make life truly meaningful and beautiful.